In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Garmin Connect app. By the end, you'll know exactly how to get to the official app page using Garmin's own website so you can avoid fakes and feel confident you're in the right place. Garmin Connect is the companion app that lets you sync your compatible Garmin devices, track activities, and view your health and fitness data. Our goal here is simple. Open your browser, go to the official Garmin Connect website, and then choose the correct store link for your device. Google Play for Android, or the App Store for Apple. Start by opening your preferred web browser. This can be the default browser on your phone or tablet, or any popular browser you use on a computer. A stable internet connection helps pages load quickly and prevents timeouts. If you're on the device where you plan to use the app, that's ideal because the store page will open right there and make things seamless. Next, go directly to the official Garmin Connect website. Type the address into the browser's address bar, not a search box, so you're navigating straight to Garmin rather than passing through third-party results. When the site loads, take a moment to confirm you're on an official Garmin page. Look for a secure connection indicator in your browser and Garmin branding that matches what you expect. This quick check helps you avoid copycat sites. On the Garmin Connect page, look for clear links that take you to the app. You should see options for both major platforms. If you're using an Android phone or tablet, choose the option labeled Google Play for Android. Selecting this ensures you're sent to the official Google Play listing, exactly as Garmin intends. Depending on your device, that link may open the Play Store app or show the listing in your browser. Either way, you're in the right spot when you see the Garmin Connect app page with Garmin as the developer. If you're on an Apple device, choose the option labeled Apple Store for Apple. That link will take you to the App Store listing. Similar to Android, it may open in the App Store app or first appear in your browser before redirecting. Again, look for the official Garmin branding on the listing so you know you've arrived at the genuine app page. That's all there is to it. By starting from Garmin's official website and then selecting the correct store link for your device, you ensure you're heading straight to the legitimate Garmin Connect app. Thanks for watching and enjoy getting set up the right way.